packed with performance. Mini 3 Pro sports a completely new look that is optimized to get more out of every flight. With larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system, the streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety. The reimagined gimbal offers a wider rotation range for low-angle shots and true vertical shooting, allowing endless creative opportunities. Every aspect of this facelift has been carefully considered to take Mini to never-before-seen heights. Capture and explore more of your surroundings with an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes. The Mini 3 Pro's intelligent flight battery is ultra-lightweight and has enough power to cover your aerial photography needs. The Mini 3 Pro is outstanding in a wide range of lighting conditions, so you can always be ready to create. Marvel at the rich clarity of every image, even as you zoom in or slow things down as the world gets hectic with dramatic 1080p 120 frames per second slow-motion video. Savor the moment, stay true to your creative process, and trust Mini 3 Pro to capture your world.